Hello Rosebuds, thank you for joining me today. I am sitting out front and this is a view of the walkway that goes around the whole house. I thought you'd like to see a little sneak peek of that. The other thing that's brought me so much joy is roses. And so today I want to do an unboxing for David Austin. Now I have 3 orders in with them. I made a small order in comparison to Palatine, and as I was preparing for my order to come through from David Austin, I'm like, oh, no big deal, it's not that many roses. And then when I looked, it was like 40, and I thought, what in the world was I thinking when I bought all these roses? But this is clearly not 40 roses, not the standards that I bought, so I don't know how many are in here. I'm guessing by the size, maybe 3, maybe it's only 1 rose. Who knows? It'll be a surprise for both of us. So let's go ahead and get in here. What do we look for when we are unboxing a bare root? We want it to be completely contained in a plastic bag so that the canes and roots stay moist through shipment. Otherwise, it could dry out and it won't even grow. It won't thrive. And then we also want the canes to be green. If they are brown or very dark in color, it could indicate that it's already dead, on its way to dying, or it has freeze or burn and it's going to die. What else? We want it to be labeled, and we want normally for it to be 3 canes the size of a pencil. David Austin is the only vendor that doesn't specify or guarantee what size rose you're going to get. So be aware, I might end up with a 1.5 or a 2 in here, which would just be 2 canes the size of a pencil, or 1 cane the size of a pencil and 1 smaller. So who knows? Let's look. Okay, so I think we're off to a good start concerning the roses being moist in shipment. They're always so dirty from David Austin. They're just like a muddy mess. And look, you can even see the mud in here right now. Typical. This has been going on for 4+ years now, every unboxing I do. My dog took the receipt, so who knows what is in here. Oops, I do see I've got a root peeking out. Oh, okay. All right, so who do we have? Oh, hello. No. Who do we have here but Dannahue? Dannahue is the new release this year from David Austin, and I was real excited to try it because to me it kind of looks like Jude, and so I thought that would be fun. Let's see, does it say on here? No, nothing else about it. So I'm guessing that I've got 3 Judes. We also want to make sure that when we're looking at this that there are no growths on the roots, and I don't see any growth that would indicate gall. All right, so what do we actually have here? We have, and you have to, when you're counting the canes, it's off of, if this, let me do it from this side. If this is the grafted part, this is 1 cane, and this is actually counts as 1 cane because it is just 1 off of the graft and 1 off of the graft. To be 3 canes the size of a pencil, there would have to be 1 more. Having said that, I do see that it's going to flush out just fine. It's got some new growth here too. So technically, this is a grade 1.5 rose. Let's look at the other ones real quick. The roots look good, and it is 4 canes the size of a pencil. So looking at this rose, the roots look really nice. There's no growth, and there are 4 canes coming off of the graft. It looks like a really nice rose, except for it's growing sideways. I'll still go ahead and plant it in the ground, and ultimately I'll probably get rid of these 2 because they'll be so low to the ground, but we'll see how it goes. With our bare roots, we put them in a baby pool and soak them for 24 hours, or a bucket. You know, I'm just used to having lots of roses, so it's typically I need the whole baby pool. Okay, so for Dannahue, let's see, or maybe it's Dannahue. Ugh, I've been calling it Dannahue. Okay, so for Dannahue, look at that picture there. Just a beautiful cuppy rose with, I love that color. Compact and shapely growth creates an upright and bushy shrub that flowers with great verve. This rose is full of character. who is happy to thrive in containers, against walls, fences, and in shadier areas, making it the perfect rose for city dwellers and modern living. It has a medium luscious scent that's zesty with notes of lemon, leeky, and fresh apricot. It's going to grow 3.5 by 4 foot wide, and it's good for zones 5 through 11. So I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing from David Austin. Stick with me, and in the next video I will do heirloom, and I'm sure that I'll do the standard unboxing for David Austin in the next coming days. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video.